Hi there. Today I want to show the design related to MIPS. The mini MIPS is designed here by using Logisim Evalution version. Here the entire code shows control signals for LW and SW as well as JAL. JL I implemented. So this is the control for JL, jump and link. So here I am showing the control unit. So this is the control unit and the signals. How it works means go to main and reset the PC. So once I reset, these are the signals what I am writing. So ADDI T0, T0, 5 and JAL target some address and ADDI and the target address is this thing. Okay, so these are the 4 instructions I already loaded in ROM. So these are the 4 instructions 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a single cycle. Within a single cycle each instruction is executed. So it is not a pipelined architecture. It is a single cycle architecture. So just if we reset, so the PC is pointed to 00400000. So this is the starting address of the PC. Once I released this thing, now I can apply master clock. Yeah, so like this, the first instruction is executed after instruction of positive edge cycle. So the value is 5 is loaded in this. Yes, correct. So T0. Then again if I apply clock, so the instruction is stored, that is nothing but the return address is stored in this thing 31 register. And next it is already skipped this instruction because I am implementing JAL. Okay, so this is the complete execution. 7 is came here. So all the control signals are done, including memory. A small memory is also there, 256 KB. So this is the mini MIPS designed working properly. Thank you.